Hi, does Ephesians 2 verse 8 teach that faith is a gift of God? It tells us that we're saved by grace through faith and not of ourselves. It's a gift of God. Some people, however, have concluded from this passage that God actually bestowed faith on certain elected people. In other words, God chooses who trust Him as Savior. Watch this short video. It's actually very clear in the original Greek. And at the end, I'll share how you can figure this stuff out very easily yourself. I'm going to teach a little bit of Greek grammar. Trust me, it will not be painful and will be very short. Better than I had it at 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm not the morning person. In the English language, we have been blessed with having only one gender for words. This means that we can use the article the in front of any noun, like the man, the woman, the car, the dog, the pen, etc., etc. I grew up speaking Dutch, and we have two genders. Well, whatever language you grow up in, you don't even realize that you use grammatical rules. You do know, however, if someone else makes a mistake. For instance, in Spanish here in South America, we have masculine words and feminine words. The word for table is mesa. If you want to say the table, you would say la mesa. The word la shows it's a feminine word. It means the. But if you say desk, that word would be escritorio. The word L in front of escritorio is masculine for the. By the way, feminine and masculine here are generally just grammatical terms. Don't read anything more than that into it. Now trust me, it's a headache trying to memorize each correct gender for each word. Then on top of it, when the word is indirectly referred to like it, they use different words depending on the gender. Then it even gets worse when you have differences in singular and plural, adjectives and adverbs. Now in the Greek, it's worse. You actually have three genders, masculine, feminine, and neutral. And then you have all of that in plural too. Then it even changes depending on what part of the sentence it is in. So you got 24 ways to say the word the. And again, if you were native, you wouldn't even think about it. But be thankful that you speak English. It's a very nice, easy language to speak. However, there are some disadvantages to English that Greek doesn't have. Greek is very, very specific about many things. English can be a bit unclear as to what something is referring to, especially if you don't know the context. Hence, this channel, we focus in on context. Now, Ephesians 2 verse 8 is a passage that could possibly cause some confusion. Let's read it again. For by grace are you saved through faith. The word faith here is pisteos, which is a feminine word. And then it continues by, and that not of yourself. The word that is tooto in the Greek, and it is a neutral word. So therefore the word that could not refer to faith. Paul would not use a neutral word to describe something that's feminine, unless he didn't know Greek very well. Now trust me, Paul was a very, very learned man. He wouldn't make that mistake, just like you wouldn't call your spouse it. Then the verse continues and is translated, it is a gift of God. Now in the Greek it says something along the line of God the gift. There it is, masculine. But that is because the word gift is masculine. But one definitely couldn't conclude that this teaches that faith is a gift. If that was the case, the word that before, in the previous phrase, tooto, would have been feminine. So what does this refer to? Well, I would suggest the whole concept of being saved, or one's salvation. That's the only thing that makes sense. It couldn't refer to faith because, again, faith is feminine and that tooto is neutral. So I promised that at the end I would share how you can figure this out yourself. Well, if you have a smartphone, you can download a free application in the Google Play Store called the Hebrew-Greek Interlinear Bible from there. Search for it. You'll get several, but look for the one with this icon from the hagiostech.com. I don't know how the others work. If you have a better suggestion, please share it in the comments below. By the way, I'm not sure if this is available for iPhones though. But look for it. If you found it, all you do is download it and it's very simple to use. I'll show you how. So you'll start up by looking a verse up, and you'll see the English. You'll see the Greek pronunciation that actually no one in the Greek knows because it's a dead language. The Greek letters, and then there's a small box above the word. You click on it and it will give you all of the grammar information for you. So if you click on faith, you see this. It's a feminine word. Then you can do that with the other words too. You can do this with all kinds of verses. You have fun with that. Anyways, I hope this helped you. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. We're going to share a lot of very exciting new things from the scriptures. You don't want to miss them. God bless you. Bye-bye.